What are you making, Levi?
A pool.
A pool? Oh, okay.
I just told you.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. You're making a pool, huh? How deep is it going to be? A lot?
Yeah,
A whole lot. What are you going to put in that pool? Some of this? Oh, okay. Most people put water in a pool. Are you going to put fishies in it? What kind of fishies? Gafffish?
Yep,
And how about, you going to put any sharks in there?
Yep.
How about whales?
No.
No, not big enough for whales?
No, just for sharks.
How about some sea turtles?
No.
No?
Jellyfish.
Gullyfish?
Yep.
Okay. What are gullyfish?
They are the fish that
They're the fish that fish
fish
eat? Oh, okay. Oh, you mean guppies?
Yeah, guppies.
Oh, how about goldfish?
No.
No goldfish, huh? Okay. What are you picking the weeds for?
I'm going to put some of these in there.
Oh, okay.
Make it longer.
Okay, well you sure do work hard doing all that digging and weed pulling. Yep.
I think I need one more thing.
Need some what?
Wasps.
Wasps? You don't need wasps, they'll sting you.
No, but there, I will put them there. And then after that, get all kinds of these light up.
Okay.
You want to watch me?
Popo, you want to watch him?
I'm busy helping today.
Yeah, Popo's real busy right now, but he'll watch you later, okay? Come here.
What?
You're going to give Grammy a kissy?